Pac-Man TV. Pac-Man TV. Pac-Man TV.
TR on the beat.
Hey, won't you give my homeboy his chance?
I don't want any trouble. Just get out.
Stand you.
I feel sorry for
What you say about my mama? You feel sorry for who?
you. I don't want any trouble. Just get out.
The fuck you say about my mama?
I don't want any trouble. Just get out.
You talking shit?
Just another day, chillin' with the bros. Niggas ain't trapping, getting money, it's a stroke. But young G wanna roll, take let it go. I can't fuck with these soft niggas on the road. I'm just true to the code, true to my pros. Niggas wanna boast, they be talking the most. For that shit dog, man, I shoot at your throat. I lean niggas soap, dog, I lean niggas smoke. AJ shirt, jeans on a coat. Bitch won't take dick to the back of a throat, but that bitch gotta go. I'm sipping on oak, any turn green like a £5 note. No fives in my stack, bro. I ain't tryna boast. Grabbing on a pack, finger to the pros. Everybody tryna trap and everybody tryna eat. I said, man, but jack, bro. Niggas straight leaks. All I know is pain, survival on my own. All I know is rage, wise rise at the chrome. Young nigga dog, ass with the Rambo. Man, I make a nigga dance, dog, no tango, no samba, blood, man, I have a man bow. It's another day, chilling in the ends. Niggas move side and man, forget to be friends. Walk upon them, I creep up in the Benz.
Big skeng and I stand with it. Gonna blend and I pop with it. Gun bust fuck block with it. Stay low from the fucking pit. Old granny shit fucking sick. So the block be hot as shit. Heard Sonny got food so I took his shit. Plotted on post ski for a couple weeks. True say bro, I know he got a couple keys. See me and my pushy. Slinging them things I ain't gas bro. But I let it grow. Keys hate when I run out of both. Got the drop so I touch it and go. Built a line on my Roscoe on. You know my name. It's Ains bro. When I squeeze, head past close. Touch my bro, you're dead. Touch my bro, you're dead.